Hello everyone. How was your day? My day was very busy, but now it's time to wind down. Perhaps you are thinking what I mean by wind down. Can you guess what it means? Well, in this context, wind down means to relax. If you see someone relaxing, you can say the person is winding down. It means that the person is relaxing. Instead of using relax, you can now use the phrasal verb wind down. This will help you sound more natural while conversing with someone. I presume this lesson was useful. Until next time, take care and find time to wind down. Oh.
Don't miss out on new videos. Click the bell. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for more.